So, hello, my friends. It's been a while since I told you about my English journey, and I'm Yon, someone who has practicing improving English since last year. And so, honestly, I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, or what it truly feels like. And also, honestly, I often feel bad about it. I've never been a storyteller. So most of my life, I've been an ordinary employee. I'm used to giving updates, reporting what I've done, and communicating with my boss. So, so that's how I've been communicating for years. Yeah, but today, nowadays, I'm trying to be storyteller. I'm trying to share my experience, my activity in daily life. Yeah, and it's uncomfortable and unfamiliar, but I really need it.
And now you can look his face. Look at that cute face. He was so focused on his work that he looked like a professor. And then there's me. I had absolutely no idea what I was focusing on. I was just staring at the screen and pretending to be busy. And also, you can look all this stuff. I use my laptop for work, and I also have an additional monitor. Yeah, on my desk. It's a pretty big monitor, by the way. And as I told you many times, for most of my life, I wasn't someone who talked a lot. I wasn't the kind of person who would just sit and chat about random things. In fact, I was the completely opposite. That's why I've been trying to go deeper into this. I've been pushing myself to express my thoughts and tell more. So, for example, I try to turn everything around me into English, no matter what it is. Even though I often struggle and can find the right words, I always tell myself, well, that's exactly what I need. As you can see, I'm reading an article on Medium right now. Medium is one of my favorite platforms for improving my English. I usually spend a few minutes reading an article and focusing on it because it helps warm up my brain and sharpen my mind before it starts practicing. Okay, so let's get out. I'm also an engineer, and the big part of my job involves doing research on the internet and reading journals. I think that's one of the reasons why I've become quite familiar with English. As you can see in the highlight, I was searching for information about robotics. Reading articles and journals has become part of my daily routine. And at this moment, I'm trying to explain what I've been doing. Normally, at the end of the project, I'm used to presenting my work and reporting the results. But this time, I'm trying to do it in storytelling style. Instead of simply saying what I did, I'm trying to share the process, the challenge, and what I learned along the way.
Meet with you, and I really enjoy to share my knowledge, share my daily activity to you guys, because I don't know, like I just train, practice my storyteller ability, my English practice, and so on. I don't even care of the outcomes, but I feel well for the outcomes. Yeah, I really feel well about it, and so I will stay tuned with storyteller again and then another day. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you.